Back in India, mangoes were a summer staple, but mango sticky rice? I had never even heard of it. It was only after moving to the US that I first tasted this Thai dessert, and I was instantly hooked. Sweet, creamy, and perfectly balanced. This one is new to my kitchen and probably yours too if you grew up in India like me. But once you try it, you'll wonder why you waited this long. So today I'm sharing my easy homemade version of mango sticky rice. Let's start. You'll need 1/3 cup of sticky rice, coconut milk, date molasses or palm sugar, a ripe mango, rice flour. Soak the rice for 4 hours or overnight. See how the rice grains have plumped up. To steam the rice, boil 2 cups of water in a steamer. It's a rack style steamer. Line the perforated rack with muslin cloth and pour the rice in the middle of the rack, leaving space around the edge to allow steam to come up. Fold the edges of the cloth to cover the rice. Steam for 20 to 25 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked. After 25 minutes, unfold the cloth and squish 2 grains of rice between your fingers to check for doneness. It's done. Take a small pot to make the coconut syrup, add coconut milk, salt and date molasses and let it come to a boil and keep stirring over medium heat just until the molasses is dissolved. Transfer the cooked rice to the coconut syrup, let it come to one simmer and turn off the heat immediately. Roast the sesame seeds until they turn light golden brown and crunchy while the rice is resting in the coconut syrup. To make the coconut sauce, take coconut milk in a pan, add rice powder and stir gently to prevent clumping. Let it come to a boil. The sauce will thicken. Add salt. Keep mixing on low heat. Add date molasses and mix everything thoroughly. Turn off the heat. On this side, after 20 minutes, stir the rice once, mix it thoroughly and let it rest for another 30 minutes. After resting for 30 minutes, the coconut rice has absorbed all the syrup and is ready. To serve, place a portion of sticky rice, drizzle with salted coconut sauce. Place freshly sliced mangoes and sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds. Thanks for cooking along. May every bite of this mango sticky rice taste like sunshine on your spoon. That's it. Until next time, stir with soul.